Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Ziltzer. Today I want to talk to you about medical meal replacements, and in particular, Optifast and how Optifast works for weight loss. There are over-the-counter shakes and bars, and those are not nutritionally complete. So they don't have all the sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and if you tried to live on those exclusively, you would become severely electrolyte depleted and potentially end up in the hospital. Medical meal replacements, on the other hand, contain everything that you need nutritionally. So it has all the protein, vitamins, minerals, and electrolytes, trace elements. There are a lot of people who are in the ICU who need to be fed. In order to feed them, they'll actually put a feeding tube in their stomach if they're on a breathing machine, and they'll give them everything they need through a feeding tube, and the formulas that they give are medical nutrition. Optifast is a better tasting medical nutrition. You don't have to put it down a feeding tube because we eat it. Why does and how does Optifast work for weight loss? First, we can safely give you 800 calories and still deliver complete nutrition. And that again is very different from an over-the-counter meal replacement. Secondly, we're giving you your nutrition throughout the day exactly as you need it. I call it just-in-time nutrition. You're getting all the food, the protein, vitamins, minerals throughout the day, generally about 5 times a day, and as a result, you never get really hungry. When you are burning fat very rapidly, your body releases ketones, and ketones suppress your appetite. In addition, Optifast leads to a concept called stimuli narrowing. And what that means is if we give you lots of choices, if you go to a buffet and there's lobster and there's filet and there's many desserts, you're gonna eat many, many meals. On the other hand, if you go to a restaurant where it's a la carte eating, you'll only order one meal. When you have more choices, you tend to eat more. When you have a choice of a few shakes, soups, and bars, you tend to eat overall less. Those are the reasons why Optifast works for weight loss. Thank you.